Hello.
It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages.
Hello guys, welcome back to this lesson. And today we shall be looking at basic and simple expressions, okay, with come and go, the second part. And yes, so the first part, okay, we saw the use of me ya nimaba or me yamaba or me yaba and those stuff, okay. Yes. So this second part, and then this second part is going to build out from what we learned previously. So if you know you didn't do it, kindly go back. So previously we learned maybe inya kwe, inya fe, oya fe, and we explained all this. Now look at, so now we are going to import the short forms. Inya kwe, inya fe, inya ngma, oya he. You are going to import all those things into this lesson. So maybe me ya ni makwe. Okay, me ya. I'm going to look me ya ni makwe. So this time you know we are going to say, instead of me ya ni makwe, you will say me ya hinya kwe or me ya ni hinya kwe. So you see, short for me ya ni makwe. Then you can further make it complicated by saying me ya ni hinya kwe or me ya hinya kwe. Ghana can be very tricky. Okay, so maybe oyani ofe, you are going to do it. So you can also say oyani oya fe. You know the short form is already oya fe. Then you put it oyani oya fe. Eyani oya fe. He's going to do it. Meya ni magbasane. Okay, meya ni magbasane. So the ending part, the magbasane, then you can complicate it. Meya ni hiyagbasane. Meya ni hiyagbasane. Oya ni oyagbasane. Eya ni eyagbasane. Woya ni woyagbasane. Okay, goes on and on. Now I would like to introduce this word ke in Ghana. Ke also means end. What's the difference between ke and ni? Ni links sentences. So miya is an individual clause. It's a complete sentence on its own. Miya, I'm going. Mafe, I'll do it. It's a complete sentence. So the miya ni mafe, the ni links both. But then ke doesn't link sentences. It links objects. It links nouns. It links entities. So maybe nine, ke nine. So this is an entity, a noun. This is also an entity. So nine ke nine, hand and hand. Nine ke nane, hand and leg. Me ke bo, you and I. Literally me and you. Moko ke enanyo, someone and his friend or someone and her friend. So you see how interesting it gets. So the ke links entities, nouns, objects, things you can touch. But then the ni links sentences. But they both means end. But ni can further mean that and so. So ni means end, but sometimes can also mean that and so. Okay, you need this basic understanding for future reference, because that's how you learn and understand things better in the future. Okay. So he said he's going to look. Eke means he said. Eke eya ni eya kwe ni. Eke, he said eya, he's going. Ni eya kwe. He is going to look at something. Eke eya ni eya kwe ni. Eke eya ni eya he ni. He said he's going to buy something. Okay, oya ni, oya he ni. You say you're going to buy something. Nke mi ya ni, maya he ni. So I'm going to buy something. Or nke mi ya ni, ya he ni. So you see how interesting it gets. You can use it this way, you can use it that way. Feel free to use either. So if you have questions, okay, do what to ask. I'm not going to stress so much on it. If you have questions, do what to ask, okay. If you want to contact me, pick my number on the screen and I'll gladly get back to you. I offer translation services, okay. If in case you come to the country and you want someone to tour around with, I offer such services as well. Yeah, I translate back and forth probably 15 to 20 languages because I translate Ga-Dangme, and yes, it's a language where I may not know. I still have links and I'll definitely link you up with the right person. If you have language services, why not? And also, if you want a copy of my free book, if you are learning Ga, I have a free book for you. Ni Sla Imangana. Contact me and just say I want the book. Ni Sla Imangana, and I'll send it to you. Okay. Yeah, it's for basic learners. I wrote it freely for everyone. So you just get it and you can use it to practice your Ga. But for my book, No Ghana Better, it is a paid book, okay, which is to support this channel. Alright, so like I said, if you have any questions, do what to ask. And yeah, I'm on Facebook, Huniah-Yourhighness. You can catch up. I also offer teachings on Facebook as well, but Facebook is more of writing. I type a lot on Facebook, but YouTube is more videos. Okay, so you can follow me on Facebook, Huniah-Yourhighness, and yeah, to join the family. Thank you very, very much once again, and do what to share this video with others so that more people discover this channel, especially people willing to learn Ga. And we are almost at 5k. Like, I'm so happy. Please take me to 5k. Like, take me to 5k. Like, share and let it reach more people so that at least get a 5k. Okay, thank you very much. Nyayi wala dong.
It's Genesis on the beat.